So, some bad news I had to share with you for Royal Caribbean fans. I had $50 in free play on this cruise, and I loaded it on a machine with every intention of playing a game or two, cashing it out, taking my money, and going to another machine. But they, on this ship, I don't know if it's system wide because I couldn't confirm that. I did ask the cashier, but you can no longer cash out your free play. So, really bad news. Uh, uh, my next leg of this trip, I should have $25. So I'll try it again. But they've got some pretty new machines in the non-smoking casino. So I don't know if it's just the new machines. They didn't have any 3 real 5-line machines like I wanted to try, which I was able to cash it out on that. But yeah, that kind of sucks that they made that change. So I did play a little bit in the casino, and I'll have some footage of that for you. I did my $52 in free play and didn't really get anything back from that. And of course, you don't get any points for that. That's why I was trying to cash it out and put it back in the machine, which I did on Wonder. But that was 2 months ago in September when I was on the Wonder of the Seas. Vicky from Foodies Travel was asking me about how to charge play to your onboard expense account, and I did confirm with the cashier that there is no fee for charging to your onboard account, which is great, right? So you don't have to actually bring cash with you. You can just charge to your credit card that's on your account. I have a little card here that shows you how to do it, and I'll make sure I put this up on the screen fully so you can read through it. So I'll give you a second to do that. And then I also did take a picture of the latest flyer that they had in the casino with the QR code, and I'll make sure that I get that clear enough that you can scan that and you can check out the cruises that are available. So have a peruse over that and look and see what's available for upcoming cruises. But I hope you enjoy the casino tour that I'm about to show you. And hopefully my goal would be actually to do a live stream later on my second cruise, which starts tomorrow. Hopefully I should have a couple of days to do that. And maybe you can sit there with me and see if I can actually win some money instead of just getting points, because I don't seem to ever walk away with any money, but that's okay. I'm just going for my points right now. Prior to this cruise, I had 210 points. As of this cruise, I have 43 points. And then I have a couple more days. So I have 4 more nights. So I have tonight, and then I have another 4-night cruise. To be able to get up, I'm trying to get to about 400 points is my goal. So that would be a total of $600 total that I'm spending between Wonder of the Seas. I spent $300 there, and then I brought $300 with me to play here. So yeah, so hopefully that works. And I'll make sure that if I am going to do a live stream, I'll make sure I pick a time and give you at least a day's notice, so that way you can set a notification so it'll remind you when I'm getting ready to go live. And I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this casino video. If you have any questions, just make sure you leave them in the comments. Also, I have several other casino videos in my library or playlist. Just dig through them. They've got a lot of great information about playing in the casino, how to use the machines, how to book the discounted offers, how to make sure you're getting the discounted offers. And if you want to continue to see my videos in your recommended feed, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or hit that notification bell and turn your notifications on if you want to be reminded every time I release a new video. So thank you so much for watching my casino video. Have a fabulous day, and I hope to see you out there cruising. Hey everybody, it's Amy, and I'm on a cruise, and I am standing here while we're in Cozumel at the non-smoking casino on the promenade. And it's really small, but it looks really nice, and it's closed right now, but I'm gonna go in and get some film while there is nobody here. So Vicky, Foodies Vacation, this is for you. So we've got some sports screens. We have different card games here. It doesn't say what they play here. We have cashier, roulette on this side. And then another card table here. Here is the cashier window. Oh, buffalo, timber wolf, Looks like we have Jade Mermaid, and I'm not quite sure what the other games are. Aqua Dynasty Egyptian Sea is what it says up top. And I'm not sure what the last one is over there. But we all know this is Huff and Puff More Power 4. Huff and More Puff. I have been advised not to play these unless I want to lose all my money. So I guess if I'm just looking to have fun, that is the game to play. Oh, it looks like we have the firecracker game over here. Don't believe the firecrackers, because just because they look like they're gonna go off doesn't mean anything. We have coin trio fortune trails. Those look fun. And Dragon Link. Oh, and then we got two more of the firecracker games. Dragon Link. Whisker wheels. I have never seen that. Looks like there are two of them here side by side. Oh, Kismet Cat. That may be my game. Not that I'll win anything. Up, and then 3 out of service over here. And then you have the whole casino bar. This is nice that they have the bar in here, so you don't have to leave if you want something to drink. Should make it easier for the casino staff to get you beverages. And Lion Link, now this one on the Wonder of the Seas took all my money and paid nothing. And then some more that you can't tell what they are. Oh, there's my 3-wheel. This one is 9-line though. So Vicky told me to play 3-wheel 5-line, and I don't see any in here, and I didn't see any downstairs in the non-smoking or in the smoking casino. More Lion Link. Will not be attempting that. 5-draw poker. And more that you can't tell. Okay, so all in all, the non-smoking casino doesn't look too bad, but definitely small. I really wish they had more options. I really wish they had the 3-reel 5-line, but doesn't look like they have that here. And they didn't have it downstairs. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to go on another cruise to play it. So I think the game that I'll probably hit up first, just because I love cats. If you watch my video, you know I do. So the Kismet Cat, that may be my first game of choice, because I'm just going for points. Money's good, but I'm going for points. I still need more cruise discounts for the future. So thank you for watching my casino tour, and hopefully we'll get up to a lot more later in the cruise. So see you then.